So next we'll talk about establishing an online presence. I have YouTube channels. I have WordPress blogs. I've got Facebook pages and groups. I'm on Pinterest. I'm on Tumblr. I'm also on, what else? Can't remember. I'm on lots of things. And you should be too. You should be making a very intuitive website. So a website that's easy for people to use. Also, make sure that your website is good across all platforms, especially smartphones. People really use their smartphones a lot, as I'm sure you know. So even more than a desktop computer, make sure that your website looks good on a smartphone and is easy to use on a smartphone. I recommend creating a website that has value for your customers. I would give away a lot of free stuff. That can be information, what have you. But you want people coming to your website. In years past, companies would put up a website and expected people to come. Nowadays, I think you need to give to get. So you need to give out free information in order to hopefully get some sales. In my case, I give out a lot of free information on YouTube or on my blogs, on Facebook, in the hopes that people buy my courses. Again, I've got blogs about our area, and then I've got links to our guest houses. So I'm giving away a lot of information. Most of the readers of my I Am Hakone blog are not guests. They're actually other people, but I'm hoping to get them. And I started it as a service for our guests. Lots of information in English about our area, but it's expanded to lots of people. So I try to bring them in to book a guest house stay. Obviously, you can't give away everything. You want to monetize somehow. So, it depends on what your product is, but the more you can give away, the more you can get back. SiteSell is an excellent system for that. I was on SiteSell for many years. The good thing about SiteSell is they teach you all about that, and I'm not affiliated at all with SiteSell. I'm just saying they get good at giving out good information on a very nice website, and then they try to make the sale. So it shouldn't be all sales. It should be you giving back in the hopes of getting a sale in the future. So you need to be on social media, as mentioned, and you need to choose a platform that will resonate with your potential customers. If they're very young, then maybe that's TikTok. If they're older, maybe that's Facebook or Twitter. You need to decide what resonates with your potential customers. And you need to be consistent with how often you post at those various platforms. So maybe once a week is all you can manage. But yeah, you need to keep up a consistent schedule for your customers. You may want to try targeted ads through Google or Facebook. I've hired people from Fiverr with various effects. I'm not sure I recommend Fiverr or not, but it depends on who you get really at Fiverr. Google Ads, though, seem to be pretty good. If you're on YouTube ads, Google Ads, I think basically the same thing. But try to think about where you want to advertise and how you want to say things, keeping that consistent voice that we talked about earlier. And once you have advertised, use data to see what worked and what didn't, and then, repeat what worked. So have some insights on how things worked out.